Obumakuma, Obumakuma, Obumakume. Obumakume. Obumakuma da pejane. Obumakuma da pejane. Osune, Osune chinyabua. In painful Ghanaman, Ahimfu, Chiawan, Wacham, Ahinwa. Today, I represent to you the famous Apatampa dance from my region, the central region of Ghana. The famous Apatampa dance, as we all have heard, is a historical dance and a recreational dance which is performed at events like weddings, funerals, and many other traditional events. And Meribachi one Abakosama offer Apatampa and how it came into existence. Mitre Abakosam has it that the name of the dance was derived from an incident that occurred years ago. Before the people of the Fante land migrated from Techiman to Edina, there was a giant who used to attack our men at night. This became a major problem in the town. And one day, a man called Kofi Kunedu, a brave man as such, confronted the giant, and this led to a huge fight. Of course, someone had to intervene. And then, out of nowhere, a woman appeared. This woman had a protruded buttocks just like mine, endowed in beads with a glorious smile. And this woman did the unexpected. She began to dance while clapping her thighs and chest and smiling. And as expected, this dance that she did got the attention of the giant, and this allowed Opinion Kofi Kunido to have the chance to kill the giant. The other woman, out of surprise, kept chanting and shouting that, "Hey! Osasona patampo, Osasona patampa, Wapata ampa." And this is where the name Apatampa was derived from. Apata, which means separated, and ampa, which means truly. So truly, the fight had been separated. In order for you to do this dance, all you need is to tie a piece of cloth around you, just like I have done. And then you can endow yourself in glorious beads and pack your backside with goods to make it look protruded, just like mine. For the men, all you need to do is to tie a piece of cloth around your neck, like the color, like the people in the village typically do. Exactly. The instruments that you need to play for you to enjoy the melodious sounds along with this dance is called the efrichua, and the white people call it a castanet, or you can use the normal drums that we all know of. All the drummer has to do is to put the drums in the middle of his legs, position it well, and hit for it to hit the note well, so we can dance along with it. I am fanciful. Yes, so the master we the cane bro isn't kunim war the me nimpatantantan grum noodle. We do this dance in remembrance of our victory from the giants. Same be brain, Merchawanambra, what's if I yeah the master we. First of all you have to do is tap on the side of your thighs 2 times, clap your hands, and hit your chest like this. Chant instrumentalist, mama beats. Pa, pa, yankwe, ke, ke, yabe, manana yabe, yabe, manana yabe. Yayan ketesia manana yabe, yayan brantia manana yabe, yabe manana yabe, yabe manana yabe, yayan brantia manana yabe, yayan ketesia manana yabe, yabe manana yabe, yabe manana yabe, yayan brantia manana yabe. I hope my protruding buttocks and my dance move did not distract you at all. Now your friend, Apatampa, Apata, Ampa, Mada ho n'ase.